it's me, Ella the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a solar seal oven. So as you can see, I'm not in my lab coat, and that's because it is hot out. No wonder we didn't see any banana slugs at Henry Cow, because we just got back from a hike. Anyways, for this, you're going to need a box, the sun, some black paper, a sunny day, some scissors, some tape, some foil, and more foil, and a marker. Alright, so with the black paper, you're going to take the tape and tape it down. Alright, and then the next step is you're going to take all your foil and cover up the surface of the box as much as you can. But first, let's get ready. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and taped these flaps down. So let's get started. So I'm going to tape it so the walls don't fall down. Just as demonstrated, that was a demonstration of what I would like the box not to do. Thank you for demonstrating, box. Why am I talking to a box? So I'm going to go ahead and just real quick and real fast tape these up. Hey. And cover your foil with something. Because foil is easy to fly away. Alright, tape it down there. Okay, then go ahead and cover every single surface with foil. Here, everywhere. Alright? Okay, and then I'll show you what to do next. Got it? Got it. Okay, I've covered the box in foil. Complete foil, and now I'm going to put these s'mores in it. One thing I like about solar science is it's delicious and tasty and doesn't need any fuel or gas. Okay, that's more than one thing. Alright, so I'm going to, my mom got some graham crackers and put chocolate chips on too and marshmallows on too. Alright, so let's put the graham cracker inside. Ooh, and you know what will be fun? Let's experiment and see which one can melt faster. The one just in the sun or the one in the solar oven. Okay. And also I've got this plastic stuff here, and it looks like a plastic bag. I've got a plastic bag, and it would trap the sun's heat, which is important because we need the sun's heat. I think I may cut this open so then it's wider and traps more.
Put the rest
Just
of
cut a little bit. Actually, it's very easy to whip. And then I'll just cover it up.
Put the rest of your s'more in there, no? You make two? You're only going to make one?
Okay. Then just cover it up. Like that. Cover one. And cover two. Okay. Let me just spread it out a little. There. And here. Ta-da! Okay, and then I'm going to take this extra stuff that I sort of accidentally whipped apart. I'm going to whip it again and attach it on the sides so then it traps heat and keeps it. Alright, so take the tape, tape it. I'm going to tape it onto the plastic wrap, then onto the foil. Well, onto the box. Right there. Then right here. Oops, make this a little smaller. There. Alright. Now that that's done, let's move on to the second one. It's a solar seal. It's a seal solar oven or solar seal oven, right? But what makes it solar seal oven? It doesn't look like a seal at all. So let's also take a marker and draw a face on it. Oh, this one is not working. Oh well. I'll just draw a little eye right there. And a little eye right there. And a little cute smile right there. Probably can't see it because it's really hard to see. Anyways, there. Alright, let's see which one cooks faster. The one inside the amazing solar oven or the one outside. So this should take about like maybe 30, 20 minutes, 15. So just experiment and have fun, okay? Alright, so they've baked in the sun for a long time. And here is what it turned out as. A yummy chocolate and marshmallows. Now, these marshmallows don't really melt at all, but look how much meltier. Alright, so this is the one that was on the plate, and it's okay that it's that melty, but these are really melty. And when I say really, I mean really. So yeah, the solar oven worked. Now, time to make some some s'mores. Flip chocolate over. Put it on. There. I don't want foil. Hey, more nature on it. There. Uh-oh. That one got nature on it. Let's get your way. There. And then put it. Oh well. That's okay. And that's how you make a solar seal oven. Bye!